Hi guys, welcome to this session in Google Sheets. In this module, I want to show you how you can return multiple options within VLOOKUP. So what I'm going to do first off is create a data validation list in this cell. So I'll just color this in orange or something. And then get a data validation list that's going to pick up this list of codes. So go to data and then validation, add rule to G5. It's going to be a drop down list, but I want it to be from a range, and the range is going to be this range of items there. Clicking OK, and then just drop that down to see if you've got the list there, and you can see that it has given you the list, but it's alienated duplicates, which is great. So I'll select that one. I then want to put a numbered list 1, 2, 3 there. Now I can just pull that down however far I want, and then here is I want to be able to look up how many items are in this list. So how many times does ABC repeat? So I can see there that there's 3 times, and the rest of them are just 1 time, and then this one is 4 times at the bottom there. But for this to work, I need to do like a little helper column. So if I go there and go equals count if, open the bracket on that, I'm going to click on C6, and then up the top there I'm going to do a colon and do C6 again. So we've got 2 C6s, comma, and then C6 again after that. So altogether 3 C6s. I'll close the bracket on that. Okay, so now what I need to do is equals VLOOKUP, open the bracket. I need to concatenate that cell with an and sign and open quotes, space, quotes closed, an and sign and the number 1. Now I need to $sign that so it doesn't move, F4. So if I get back up here, table is going to be this table, highlight the table, comma, so I want column 1, 2, 3, 4 first of all, so I'll go 4, comma 0, close the bracket. Now the table itself, I haven't named it, so it needs to be $signed. Highlight that, press F4, press enter, I get nuts, pull that down, and I get the answers there. So if I change that code, just get 1 thing. I change that again to that, I get 4 things. Change it back to ABC, I get the 3 things for ABC, these 3. And then I need to do the same for this column, but that would be column 5. But I don't want these NAs to appear, so what I can do is in front of all of this VLOOKUP, I can go if error, open the bracket on that. So if all that's an error, come right to the end, comma, quote, quote, close bracket. Quote, quote means leave it blank. Press enter. So when I pull that down again, it should get rid of the spare bits at the bottom. So if I go ERT, gets rid of them. How many numbers you have is totally up to you. But this is how you can return multiple rows with a VLOOKUP or an XLOOKUP like so. Now you can also do that with a filter function as well, which is a new function, and that's just come out. So it's up to you how you want to do it. If you haven't got the filter function, depending on the version you've got, that's what you have to do. So hopefully that little video was of use. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you in the next one.